Hello and welcome to today's Daily Wealth Sky. We have a much better day today on June 3rd. This is the boss signal. This is also my altcoin signal. So we already saw a big move on Stellar a couple of days ago, and that could happen a couple days early. That is totally to be expected. That is totally within the range of possibility. But we could also see another very big altcoin move here on June 3rd. This is also a great day to do something like open a brokerage account, especially if you're planning on buying or trading altcoins. A exchange account, anything like that would be good, or even setting up a crypto wallet. However, I would just give you one warning about this. This is not going to be a very long-term success. This would be good if you're going to use it for this year, but I wouldn't go much beyond that. That would be my major point with this particular signal for today. But this is a great day because of abundance and a lot of negotiation energy and your ability to make good deals. You can master your resources. You can make good moves. The background bad aspects that we've had are not gone. So we still have the insatiable greed aspect that I've been talking about in the last two major videos, my bigger, longer videos where I talk about the influences that are going on that are basically trying to trick the market and take your coin. So don't let that happen to you. So you want to be very discerning. This is also a really good cycle for beauty and being in nature. And there's a lot of creative flow here. Expansion energy is here, and the ability to have a good goal and dream and focus directly at it. This aspect is also particularly good for like collectors, people who like to collect specific things, collectibles. I would not necessarily include cryptos in that. I wouldn't include the meme coin in that because meme coins are really not proven. I would talk about other collectibles. I'm talking about physical collectibles, and coins especially would be really great to look for and pick up right now. There's a lot of vitality here. You need to watch out though because of that insatiable greed. That would be my big warning about today. This is the exact same system I used to call the $3,500 Bitcoin low in 2020 when we had the crypto COVID crash. So if you want to learn more, please visit me at auraright.media. If you want personal signals, visit me at auraright.media because this is available for you, personalized as well for VIP members. Check it out and also subscribe here.